What's up, guys? I'm here working on the Civic, changing the brakes and stuff, and then you hear a loud bang, and we're like, what? We go out there, and I'm gonna play you guys this clip right now, which is crazy. It's a beautiful day, sunshine, it's about noon, and this is what I see. This is what I come to find, guys. So I'm gonna play you the clip right now. I don't know whose car this is, but the rear suspension is definitely damaged. Everything's damaged. Like I said, these guys walked out, left their car running. Uber or Lyft, huh? Car's running. Crazy. And he hit this guy too right now. So as you guys just saw, two guys were driving the car and they attempted, after picking up all the debris, to leave. They were trying to do a U-turn and get out of here. It's weird, nobody really approached them, including myself, because I thought other people approached them already. I was kind of late to the party. But they couldn't get the car. I don't know if the axle's pushed out or it's broken. Something's going on and the car couldn't drive. I heard the transmission clicking and they parked the car and they left. He was on his phone a little bit. I thought they were calling the police. He took some pictures of the damage. So I'm like, okay, they probably called the cops. The cops are probably gonna come. But soon after, they just both walked away to the main street, never to be seen again. I spoke with a neighbor. I asked him if he called the cops. He didn't. So at that point, I decided to call the cops on this car. As you can see, the car is still running when I came there. I'm not sure if they're trying to report it as stolen later. It is an Uber and a Lyft driver. It does have Uber and Lyft stickers on it. So I'm sure if the cops come, they're gonna be able to locate the guy or the driver, because I'm sure if you drive for Lyft or Uber, that car is registered to a specific driver. So most likely they will get caught and busted for this. I'm not sure if this is a hit and run again. If the driver didn't report it, they didn't wait for the police to show up and make their police report, probably gonna go in and do some time or have some penalties. Obviously, I'm a witness. I've seen them, so we'll see. We're waiting for the cops right now to show up. It's been about half an hour and the police still haven't came. And I dialed 311 at first. Well, finally, after dialing 911, I was able to get transferred to someone. I told them the location and hey, we're still waiting. But very interesting story. Once the cops come, I'll summarize everything up. But yeah, man, I don't know if they were drinking, drugs, or something else going on, but a lot of damage. All right, guys, so we're waiting for the cops to show up. I think the cops are coming. The fucking cops finally came. Oh, here they are. Hey, what's going on? I'm telling you, man, Chicago is a crazy place to be. You see, axle shot, car's still running. Did you go anywhere? But I usually play it in the morning. I mean, I didn't want to do this.
CHIRAQ, 6048 Wisconsin. More calls from this 5144, West Montrose 5144, West Montrose. Now it's coming in to check the well-being. Female was screaming in the background as if she was fighting.
What's your first name?
GR.
You're just a witness on this. Right?
Correct. I just saw.
Hey, your first name is George. 6589.
Yep.
What's your birthday?
Montrose job. 10-4, we got another unit ahead towards Montrose, 1535, 144 West Montrose. Got a couple of people battery in progress, holding a fender.
And what time do you think this happened?
99, 5144 West Montrose, another unit, take a ride with them.
Probably around. What time is it right now? Maybe an hour and a half ago.
Okay. Did you see the description of the car?
The driver.
Or driver?
Yeah.
You just seen the driver. Did you see the car by chance or no?
Well, this car hit this car. I didn't see the actual accident.
Okay, so the guy was actually in this car?
So yeah, this car was parked right here.
Okay.
And that white car, I'm presuming it was driving westbound or eastbound, and then I don't know how it hit it. I don't know if the guys weren't looking or drunk or whatever, and they smashed this car because this car was parked here.
Oh, so they were in this car and
they were in the vehicle.
Got you. Now that makes sense.
You know, they were bullshitting around, like taking some pictures. They were on the phone. I'm thinking they're calling the police, you know, trying to make the report. But then later they tried to they put some of the remainder bumpers in the trunk, and then they tried to drive away. They were trying to bust the left over here.
Okay.
But the axle is broken on that car, so it couldn't drive. It was like the transmission was acting up.
Yeah.
So they ended up just pulling back here. The car was running the whole time. We just shut it off right now. And then both the guys went that way. They walked away. And I wasn't sure if they called the cops or not. So then I called the cops because I'm like, is this a hit and run or what is it, you know? Because, you know, they could have been just playing smart and trying to pretend they're calling the police.
That's what they were doing.
So, I mean, I could give you the description of the driver and the passenger.
We got the battery in progress going on. It was at 5001 North Cicero, but now they are going on.
All right, how many was it?
Two guys, yep.
I'm going to call back. Male and female fighting.
Okay.
So,
713.
he was wearing a white shirt, white shirt, I think it was a white cap. He was the passenger.
The one that had dark clothes, just dark clothes?
Maybe like a brown shirt. I can't really tell. But it was a dark shirt, dark pants, and the other guy was opposite. He was like white shirt, white hat, white, and then the driver was Hispanic. Yeah, tall, skinny. Yeah, they both walked out that way. I was gonna ask them like, hey, did you guys make their police report or anything? But I don't want to get involved. I don't know who they are, you know.
Right. Okay.
I figured somebody would come out here, but
yeah, I mean, it's busy.
I'm not gonna stop them, you know.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, I should have made a video because that way you guys, I know, because you gotta match the driver to the whatever.
Yeah.
I know some people have cameras here, but I can't pinpoint who, you know.
Yeah, we'll walk and see who has cameras for sure. Thanks for the information.
Yeah, I mean,
appreciate it.
That's the best info I think you guys can get. It's the driver, right?
Driver, yeah. But I mean, eventually we'll know who it is.
Who the owner is, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's registered under Lyft and Uber, so I'm sure there's got to be some connections in driver, you know, who's driving it.
Yeah, they know who.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Because pretty much the owner of the car is the one that did.
Usually. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's not well.
Yep, hold on. Where's your chain at? Right here?
It does work.
I'm gonna put it around the fucking thing right here. Look. What?
It doesn't have a tow hook or nothing?
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
What happened? He's sending his wife. Did he give you a number? Well, then, go ahead, let the officer know. Give him the number. I don't know. No? Oh. Go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Come on. Dale, close. Line up the chain. Dale. Up. Snap. Some snap.
Here, let me see what's going on right now.
Może to zostawi chyba na razie. So as far as me being the witness, is there like anybody gonna be calling me or something? Can I? Sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, it's gonna be hard to locate them, right? Because you guys got nothing really.
Unless they were in the car, unless these guys got footage around here.
Yeah.
Other than that.
Like even me saying what I saw, is that gonna hold up in like court or anything like that?
I mean, 9 times out of 10, they might not even call you because they'll just call and have the insurance. Because his insurance contact the car that owns it, and they'll go after that, and then they'll
Go after him.
And then if they weren't really driving,
He can point fingers at somebody.
He'll rat somebody out.
I see.
With his insurance still on.
Yeah.
That's how
And
it
they said
works.
it's a business or something. You got a business? I don't know.
Yeah. No, it's lease.
Okay.
But that's normally what's going to happen. I mean, they might call you, but 9 times out of 10 they'll let the insurance go through it.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold.